Hello, in this video let me introduce the mapping template for you. As you can see, we have finished all the mapping works in the previous videos, and that process is a little bit complex and tedious. And of course we can save it into a template file and share that template to the other people and other files with the same rigging system in the future. And let's open our sample file and introduce it. Let's open the mapping 0 file. And you can see that we have finished all of the mapping for this character in the previous videos. Let's select any part of this character and open our mapping window. We have mapped the body parts and the fingers, the joints, and the ball setup. You can see that all of the information now are stored in the global node out there. You can see in this tab there's the template which is selected the global node. And of course we can change that to the other template if you want. And also we can save this the map information on this the global node into a new template. For example, the save template, new one. Arbitrary name should be fine. Let's click OK, and you can see the template is going to this place. We can copy Control C to copy that and check that out. Control V in the address, and you can see new one. This is a template we saved it out. Of course, you can share that to the other people, and they need to put that into this similar folder in their computers. And you can also find some of the other templates like 3D Studio or the Animecraft standalone, and currently we are using the Maya ones. Okay, and at this time we can apply this one to the other characters without the mapping information. For example, let's open our the very first example. And as we know, this character is no any of the mapping information on that. If we select any part of this character and open our mapping window, you can see that our system will select best match template, the best match mapping template for this character. It selected the ADV, and of course we can switch to the other ones like the new one. So at this time the character mapping process is finished automatically. And of course you can save it as the another kind of a template. And there's one thing we need to notice is once we select a template, the information, all of the mapping information will store it into a global node of this kind of file. So if we click close and open that again, you can see that the information will be the read from the global node at this time. So this is a very important thing. And of course you can remove your mapping template if you are not satisfied with that. Let's first switch to the new one and hit the delete template. You can see that the new one template will be deleted if you hit this yes. Okay. And you can see all of the information has been cleared and you need to start your the mapping from scratch. And please notice that at this time, if we select any part of this character and reopen the mapping window, you can see our system will select the best match version of the template again. And at this time, if you want to restart the mapping process, you can switch that to the none. Here you can see all the information will be cleared, and you can continue. For example, like this, and map that again, like this. Okay, and at this time, if you select any part and open that again, you can see that our system will now read the global node again and continue from your last work. Okay, this is the introduction for the mapping template. I think that will be very useful if you want to work in your teams. Thank you for watching. See you next time.